Hello, kids. Let's read a simple sentence about mother. M-Y, my. My, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. My mother, I-S, is. My mother is L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. My mother is loving. Again, my mother. My mother is. My mother is loving. My mother is loving.